Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if your Threads app is not working properly on your device. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem for you. So guys, the very first solution to fix this problem is that you will have to simply update your Threads app on your device. So guys, for that, open your app store, search here for Threads app, and from here simply check if there is any update available for your Threads app, and then update it and check if your problem is fixed or not. And after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to offload your Threads app for one time, and then you will have to reinstall your Threads app again in your device. So as for that, open your settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage. Wait for some seconds, and from here scroll it below and tap on Threads, and from here simply offload your Thread app for one time, and after this reinstall your Threads app and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you are still facing this problem, there is a third solution, that is, you will have to simply reset your network settings on your device to fix this problem for you. So guys, for that, just open your settings again and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings. So guys, give here your password, and after this check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after all these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.